like no goddamn trail.
Keep walking, boy. Yeah, all this mossy shit doesn't look like it's too stable.
No, not at all.
I would go more to the right.
Yeah, I'm just popping down here. It seems a little easier.
Looked like a trail at first, but now it definitely doesn't.
Yeah, this is like going in the middle of fucking nowhere, dude.
No, there's a trail over here.
Where?
Well, it was over here. Just follow me. No balls. You want to climb up this?
That doesn't even look that bad.
Right here. But this way there's a trail. Like I saw a trail like on the other side of these rocks. So.
Oh, this does not look bad at all.
Climb it. See if you can do it.
Shit's slippery as fuck.
Some slippery rock climbing, dude. That's what we're doing.
Slippery ass rock climbing.
Ooh, go to the left. Go to the left. That look cooler.
In here?
Try to go that way if you could. Oh, that looks sick. Oh no, pull on it like that. It's gonna fall.
Yeah, it is. I was trying to see if it would hold me.
Hold past it. There's a root right there. Past it.
This thing?
No, like no. Yeah, right there. I like how this is all fucking wet. Like it just freshly rained in here.
Yeah, dude. Dude, if we were like stranded in the woods, this is exactly what it would be like.
Just like rock climbing shit. Go in whatever direction we gotta go to get to the road or something.
Yeah, dude, some of that shit just falls apart.
Yeah, go that direction.
I should have put some fucking pants on.
Right? Hey, don't move. Look at the back of your shirt.
Huh? Oh shit. That...
It's like a stick.
Nice, nice.
That's like how green it is.
It's insane.
Woods by us are not this green.
How far is this trail?
It's right here.